the Fibonacci series will be. I mean, number of terms if you give. Okay, so let's get started. So what we are going to do here is we have declared 4 variables. Here we have taken 4 variables, and that user is going to give the output input. T1 as 0 we already considered, T2 as 1 we have already considered, and next term we have taken as 0. Okay, so first I'm going to run the program. I'll show you output so it will be so clear for you. Okay, so see, number of terms, suppose we want number of term 4, then we'll get this Fibonacci series as 0 1 1 2, 4 terms. It's like adding 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Like this it will goes on. Okay, means adding of the previous terms plus next term is equal to the term. Okay, so like that, if I am going to give 5, number of terms should be 5, then see, 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, 1 plus 2 is equal to 2. That's how we are going to get the 5 terms. So this is called Fibonacci series. So let's see how the program works. So here the number of terms we have taken it in variable n. So I am considering as 4. Okay, so then we are coming into the loop, for loop. Okay, so here this will see, this is the condition we have written. Like this we have initialized it with 1, and then I less than is equal to n, then we need to increment it. Like see, I should be, I is 1, so I is 1 is less than equal to our 4, what we have given 4, obviously it is less than, right? So we need to increment the I up to 4, means equal to means up to 4 we are going to increment it. So see, if I is equal to 1, okay, so see, if it's equal to 1, then 0 and 1 should be fixed every time. See, if we run and we give our term as 6 also, then we can see that 0 and 1 is fixed. Okay, so what we need to do is we will fix the term. If I is equal to 1, that will be fixed in T1, and if I is equal to 2, that is fixed in T2. That is 0 and 1 is fixed. Okay, like if I is equal to 1, that is T1, 0. If I is equal to 2, that is T2, that is 1, that is fixed. Okay, then we will move to the next term, that how it is going to add on for that, like I have discussed in the output, that how it is going to add on. So for that we are going to write this thing, this statement. Like see, next term, how we are going to get the next term is adding of both the previous term and the current term. How we are going to do, so next term is equal to T1 plus T2. So T1 we have seen above that it is 0, plus T2. What is T2? T2 we have seen also above, that is 1. So 0 plus 1, we got next term as 1, right? Now T1 is equal to T2. So T2 will give its a value to T1. That is, T1 will get 1, which is previous, and T2 will be empty here. So in the next thing, T2 since it is empty, so it will take the value from the next term. That is how much we got, 0 plus 1, 1. So T2 will become 1, right? Here T1 will become 1, which is previously 0. And now T2 from the next term has given its value to T2, that is also become 1. Okay, so now these are the value, T1 is equal to 1, T2 is equal to 1. Okay, so we have considered to 4th term. Okay, then the next term will be printed as like 1 0 1 1. 3 term will get printed, then again it will go into this for loop, then it will increment by 1, then again it will come here to the next term. Then see this one, this comment I have written another comment which will show that in 4th term what it will happen. So see, now T1 T2 value got updated to 1 1. So 1 1, now next term will become 2, right? Sorry, now next term will become 2, right? So again the T2 will give its value to t1, that is again it become 1. Then next term, that is 2, right? So next term will give it value to t2, that is 2. Now it will print the next term, that is 0 1 1 2. That is the our answer, right? We have considered only 4th term, so we'll get 4 values, 0 1 1 2. Let's see.